Dane County, which is Madison, Wisconsin, and we have a C&D recycling system designed and built by Sparta with GK equipment in it, running for Dane County.
The material coming into the facility is a good portion, probably 60 or 70% new construction. The facility can process at 40 to 50 tons per hour.
We're seeing anything that you would see thrown into a dumpster at a construction site. So wood, drywall, rigid plastics and buckets, metal, insulation, pipes, PVC, all of those things that are in a dumpster. It comes in here commingled and mixed, and then we have to sort it out into the recycled products.
The county was generating a fair amount of debris that could be recycled on site, and looking at a long-term sustainable option, we got with the county several years ago and decided that it made sense to operate a facility at their existing transfer station.
We've got a very unique setup here with a public-private partnership. So ultimately, Dane County funded all of the capital costs, the building, the equipment, everything inside the facility. We have a 10-year agreement with a private recycler. They actually run the facility. It's all their staff, and then they market all the end products that are recycled out of this facility.
So we modified the building, put on an addition, and then installed a full turnkey sorting system to operate right here at the site.
We had 3 different companies submit proposals for equipment. We evaluated those on cost, experience, references, past projects, all those criteria. So we talked to a lot of our references throughout North America. Ultimately, we went with Sparta, and we've been very happy with the equipment and the project in total.
As a system designer and manufacturer, C&D recycling is something we're very focused on and very experienced with. So we have a good sense of what the customer is going to be needing to achieve, wanting to achieve, some of the pitfalls they could run into. So we design our way through that so that the system will anticipate even beyond what they may know they need. This system is what we call a dual-line C&D recycling system, and it's a good combination of people and machinery to handle the kind of volume they have. So it's a dual line, 2 screeners, 1 density separator, and then a manual sort line, which helps them get the recovery numbers they're looking for and then some.
In terms of early on project planning, we were overly impressed with Sparta and the things that they thought about, the things that they put into the system that we didn't necessarily anticipate were included for the price of the system. So there's a lot, you can tell there's a lot of forethought, a lot of experience that they've learned from other projects, and they implemented that into the design, and it really helps to keep our system running without a lot of delays and shutdowns.
When we started this facility, the project was very fast-tracked. From the original conversation to the time that we started construction was 1 year, and from the time of initial construction to running the facility was about 7 months. So we really need to stay on schedule, and Sparta was actually ahead of schedule the entire time. Ultimately, they shipped their equipment several weeks before they were scheduled to.
This was a real good team effort in the sense that Sparta manufactured all of the equipment throughout the system, with the exception of the vibratory equipment, which GK provided, and then the landfill reduction and recycling did some of the after-the-fact installation of catwalks and all to make things run more efficiently, and then the county provided the building work. So it's a real kind of team project where everybody did their part to make what was a transfer facility now a real state-of-the-art C&D recycling facility with a state-of-the-art C&D recycling system in it.